In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add schema markup to Wix pages. To begin, open your Wix site editor so you are on the main workspace canvas. This is the area where you manage your pages and site settings. From here, look to the left side of the screen for the vertical toolbar. On that toolbar, click the Pages and Menu icon. This will open the panel that shows the list of pages currently on your site. Once that panel is open, find the specific page where you want to add schema markup. Take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct page, since these settings apply to the page you choose. When you have located it, move your cursor over that page entry in the list. As you hover, you will see a three-dot action icon appear. Click that icon to open the Page Options menu. In the drop-down menu, select SEO Basics. This section contains the main search optimization settings for that page. It is where Wix lets you control key SEO details, and it is also the place you need to go before accessing more advanced options. After the SEO settings panel opens, look near the bottom of that panel for the Advanced tab. Click Advanced to expand the deeper settings for the page. This section includes extra controls that go beyond the basic title and description fields, so it is where you will usually find more technical SEO features. Inside the Advanced area, look for the Structured Data option and click it. Structured Data is the setting connected to schema markup, which helps search engines better understand the content on your page. Reaching this section is the key part of navigating to schema controls inside Wix. As you go through these steps, it is helpful to move carefully and confirm each selection before continuing. That can save time and help you avoid editing the wrong page by mistake. If you manage several pages, it is also a good idea to double-check the page name in the Settings panel before opening the Advanced options. That covers the process for getting to the schema markup area in Wix. Once you are in Structured Data, you are in the right place to work with page-level schema settings. That covers everything you need to know.